Hold on a second. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We got the duel of Bosaka and Daniel Lennon. Their feet under both same mark. Let's get ready to rumble! Are you ready? Get set! Go! And Bo quit again. Third time in a row. Must be a charm. Oh, Bo did not win. Bo, your brother's on the ground. Maybe if you run to the pole and back, you might win. Ladies and gentlemen, meet your winner. Come over here and give me an interview. What's your name, young man?
My name is Danny Lennon.
Oh, yeah? And did you know you were that fast when you started running?
No.
No? And you're a spitter, huh?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, hold on a second. I think we have a disgruntled fan. What's your name, young man? Young man, can I ask you a question?
What is it?
Why did you quit running like a little girl?
You really want me to blow your brains out? I have a sick.
You want me to play my brains out? Well, there goes your brother again. Bo, come here. I want to tell you something.
I'm gonna kill you, Daddy.
No, you're not. Am I dead?
Yeah. I shot you in your heart.
All right, check this out. I want to tell you something. Bo, if you want to... Bo, get over here. If you want to start winning these races, you got to start running more.
Yeah, but I don't have enough energy.
Well, maybe you should start going outside more. Eat more protein. Now, look at this. I want you to say goodbye to your fans. Say goodbye to everybody.
Say goodbye!
No, not like that. Why are you kicking your brother? You want me to let him unleash on you? I mean, you're kicking him for no reason. He can whip your ass.
I'm gonna make him bleed.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not very nice, Bo.
I can make people move. Well, I won't do it then.
All right. Be
It's
there.
just, if I win, you're getting that big thing removed.
What? On the roof?
Yeah. Kick me out.
That's a TV antenna, you freak.
Bo, here. Here's your gun.
Run. Run fast. Don't stop. Run fast. Poor boy. It's got to suck when your younger brother is faster than you. At least you can whip him at every video game in the world. Hey, it's time to quit. Stop smoking, punk. All right, guys, say goodbye to your fans. Say bye-bye-bye.
Bye. Again!
What's your name?
Another race!
I told you to stop smoking. Put it out.
It's another race!
With a 50-yard head start, the boy can't win.